Chef Mike Anthony.
And today we're going to be making a really fun holiday recipe called Buckeyes.
That's a recipe from my mom in Ohio.
Hi Nana.
Go Bucks.
If you like peanut butter and chocolate, you'll love Buckeyes. Let's start by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper, like this. So we're going to start with 2 cups of powdered sugar. If you don't have a sifter, that's okay. I just like doing it so that it doesn't start to clump up. Okay, so I just did 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Check. I'm just gonna dump this into the bowl and then clean off the counter. My dad says keeping your counters clean is a good kitchen habit. So I measured 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, and now I'm just gonna scoop it into the bowl with the powdered sugar. Now we're gonna take a half of a stick of butter or 4 tablespoons, melt it in the microwave. Now that we have the melted butter, I'm just going to pour it into the bowl with the peanut butter and the sugar. Okay, now we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to use an electric mixer. If you don't have one, you can use your hands with a spatula. I'm just going to mix it until it's smooth and pliable. I'm starting at a low speed so that it doesn't go poof. Okay, so once it looks like this, you're going to use your hands to knead it into balls. Once it starts sticking together, you're going to knead it into 1-inch balls. And that's about this size. And then you don't want to make them too big or too small, because then if they're too small, then you're going to want more. But if it's too big, you're going to get too filled. Dad, do you want to help me do some?
Yeah. Does that look good?
Yeah, maybe a little smaller.
Yes, Chef.
They keep falling apart.
Give him a little squeeze, yeah? How's that?
That's good.
Hey.
Don't worry if it takes 20 minutes to do this. It takes a long time.
Wait,
Okay,
we're there.
so we made about 20 and we have some extra pieces of it. So if you have extras, you can always taste it. It tastes really good.
Mmm, yum.
Wait till the chocolate's on it.
All right, Addie, put them in the freezer for about 15 or 20 minutes so they get firm.
Okay.
Here you go.
And now we wait.
All right, so while the peanut butter is chilling in the freezer, we'll set up a double boiler. It's a pot that has a little bit of water in it and a bowl that's set on top, set on medium heat just to warm the chocolate enough to melt it. This is 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. We're gonna pour it in this bowl and let it start to melt. It'll take a few minutes. I'll stir it now and again just to make sure it melts evenly. The water's not boiling, it's just warm. Makes the bowl warm enough to melt the chocolate. If you melt the chocolate too fast or if the heat is too hot, you can burn the chocolate. Makes it bitter and gritty. That's why we use a double boiler.
Dad, can you add some milk chocolate? Because I really like it.
Yeah, we'll add a few pieces of milk chocolate.
There's just pieces like this.
So be patient. It melts slowly. You can stir it just so that it melts evenly, but there's no rush. Just scrape down the sides to allow it to melt more evenly.
It's so smooth.
Silky smooth. All right, we're in business.
So now I'm just going to take it out of the freezer. It's so cold. We have a box of toothpicks. We're going to dip about 3/4 of the bowl into the chocolate. Like this. Chocolate side down.
This is fun.
When you push it in, the tip is to hold it low down so it doesn't break.
I might have put a lot of chocolate on that one. I got carried away with the chocolate.
These are looking really good.
They look like little chestnuts. That's what a Buckeye is. It's a chestnut.
And the chocolate should stay warm enough that you don't have to keep the heat on the whole time.
Ooh, yeah. I can't wait to taste one.
And the last one is almost done. And now we're gonna take the toothpicks out because the chocolate's starting to solidify.
I can't wait to taste them. These Buckeyes look killer.
Taste again, Nana. What's that? Taste test time.
Here it goes.
That's
Yum,
good.
look at that.
Mm.
That's a Buckeye.